Modern day exhaust, much like on this BMW M8, come with Euro 6 compliancy, and what that means is it sounds a little bit weak. One of the few brands that can change that, which is what's going on this car, is Akrapovic. Fantastic system, and you'll see as Sam discusses the brand a little bit later on, they are one of the best out there.
Today's product spotlight video at Carbonwurks is on Akrapovic, which, as you can tell, is all about exhaust systems. So these guys have been in the game over 30 years, founded in Slovenia in 1991. As you can tell, we've got a nice slip-on kit here, which is actually to fit to a BMW we've got in the workshop today. So this is one of their full titanium systems. Not full system, it is made completely of titanium. It is a slip-on system. So this will be sort of axle back as such. So you've got the rear silencer, the link pipes. Importantly for us, carbon fibre tailpipe trims and also a carbon fibre diffuser. So these guys are about as good as it gets as far as exhaust systems are concerned. They're a firm favourite here at Carbonwurks. We've fitted some to a couple of R8s in the past, as well as other cars. So as said, these guys have been in the game since 1991. They've in-house titanium production since 2009, so a good long time now. They are prolific within both car and motorcycle worlds, both on and off the racetrack. They've got over 160 world titles to their name that they've helped people achieve, which is obviously phenomenal. And they work in-house with a multitude of high-spec premium materials such as stainless steel, titanium, carbon fibre, aluminium alloys, and a bit of homework for both you guys and myself. Apparently ceramic matrix composites is something that they very recently come onto. So these guys, premium systems, they're TUV and also sometimes EC type approved. So like I say, it doesn't get much better than this. We're really looking forward to getting this car kitted up with Akrapovic. So if you head over to our YouTube, you'll find some examples of how good it sounds once it's all on the car. I hope that just about covers it. One last thing, just to give you an idea of how complete their kits are, these little cables here will help tie in the diffuser, the difference in rear silencer location and the valves, so they even supply us the patch leads to go from the factory wiring to their new valve locations. So everything covered for me, should make life nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Check out YouTube for other videos on this brand.